With a look at Rndr. All right, you can see a beautiful pattern forming here with this thing. All right, you got a beautiful W pattern. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry about the sound effects there, but it a beautiful W. Okay, these normally always end up coming back up to the original price area. Usually matching right up here, so we'll see if that happens, but we're going to take a deeper dive in here. I was trying to get that little white dot off there. Apologize, I hate that stuff. Then I'll come to my video. There it is. Got it. All right. Sorry about that. All right, now we're going to take a look at a few things here, guys. We had the crossover on the 50 and the 200 right down here. That was a golden cross right there. All right, ran this road to 50 the whole way up here. All right, we crashed down a little bit below it. Now we're breaking back up above that 50-day moving average. All right, now that 200 is pulling pretty far away here. We usually always come back, all right, to meet that that 50 at some time here. All right, you can see down here, massive push up. We came back to meet the 50 right here. That was a bearish cross, and then we had the bullish golden cross right here. All right, I'm going to put a video out about moving averages for the members here, so be watching for that video, guys. Level 3 and higher for the trading courses. If you're interested in that, guys, over here on YouTube, I have there's 18 to 20 videos in there for the trading courses. 8 to 9 hours worth of videos over there for $14.99. So it also gets you access to our Discord membership immediately, and would love to have you. So I think we have 73 members over there now. Would love to have you along, so please consider joining up, especially with the bull run coming, guys. You're going to want to have a leg up on the competition for sure. You don't want to just go in here and wing it. That's a bad thing to do. Okay, you're going to want to know when to have an idea to sell, you know, when to have an idea where pullbacks are coming to, you know, all that stuff. I put it all in there for you. So if you're interested, it's worth your $15. Okay. All right, let's move on here. Rndr. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. All right, the daily RSI on this thing. Let's see where it's at. Still heading up, 84 and a 73. All right, the big one here. Let's see where the weekly's at. Look at that. Weekly has turned back up, 32.5 and a 32. All right, the weekly has flipped back bullish. I'm just seeing here if we have 5 waves up here. Yeah, this move, pullback. Look at that. Look at how on the weekly, look how it hit that 200 moving average and bounced right off of it here. It's crazy. I don't see, well, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're working on our 5th wave. That's probably it right there. Let's go on a daily and take a look. All right, that could very well be. Let's use a trend-based fib, which gives you price target areas. See if this works out anyway. Is that the bottom? Let's get to. Forgive me, guys. I'm trying to figure this out. I didn't know it was doing a 5-wave up here. All right, so if this is a genuine 5-wave up, and it sure looks like it to me, okay, this would be, you would have wave 1, 2, this would be your 3rd wave up, your 4th wave pullback, and then a 5th wave up, okay, so, you know, you have a possible target up here around $6 for this thing. All right, now it's going to have to get through a very crucial area here. I'm going to leave this on here because let me just slide it over. We're going to slide it right over here. All right, so we can go back and reference that, you know, if we were right or not. Okay, now if we put a fib on here, all right, this gives, if we break through this $5.28 area, this is giving a target around 646. So you have anywhere from 612 to 646, okay, which these are kind of coinciding with each other, which that's what you want to see, you know, when you're putting a puzzle together here. All right, right around this area looks like a possible target area for this thing. Now it came up here and hit this 786 just about. Okay, let me get this right. There we go. Okay, so as soon if it takes out $4.88, okay, then watch for this thing to go higher. Okay, now a lot of times though, this W pattern, will come down, and then it will use it. A lot of times it will at least come back up here, to this 528 area, right where it started. But it could definitely absolutely bust through here. It looks like a 5-wave up. The weekly RSI has turned back up, which is great to see. Your daily, like it's daily, still heading up. Your 12-hour is right at the top. 8-hour is right at the top. 4-hour has flipped bearish. All right, now let's see here. All right, I don't see any bearish divergence there. The daily is still heading up. Where's the 3-day? The 3-day's right at the bottom, heading up. 16 and a 10. All right, so this thing looks good. It really does. I'm expecting, especially if Bitcoin starts moving. I think Bitcoin's going to go to around 45,000 and probably fizzle out. So, within the next week or so, who knows? It could happen in an hour. And nobody knows for sure here, but we got all the big ones heading up, guys. The daily, the weekly, and the 3-day are all bullish. Where's the monthly? At a 197. Okay, so it's technically still bullish. That's a monthly time frame. Okay, so yeah, the weekly's heading back up. So keep an eye on Rndr. And who knows, it could head higher in this, guys. My target, if I was looking at this personally, I would be looking for 612 to 646. Quite honestly, I'd probably just be happy with $6. That's not a bad move, especially if you're long in it. If you're in a long or a short on this thing, and I could this could be off a hair down here. Let's try this one more time since we got it on the weekly. I can, wave one maybe started right here to the top of wave one to the retracement. I'd still be looking for 6 to 640, anywhere in that range. And I think this thing, or does the wave one start down here? That's the part that's hard to figure out. So if this thing doesn't give you a clear picture, yeah, I'd go with the 1618 fib on this. There's no clear area. I think the wave one starts right there. That's top retracement and go. I think that's probably more accurate, But there's your target. Anywhere from 6 to 646 I'd be looking for on this. It's a 5-wave up. This is the 5th wave coming in, and Rndr looks good, guys. All right, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you soon.